Hello friends, I'm Neha. Welcome back. Today in this video we will learn 30 ways to say bye. To stay tuned till the end. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get timely notification of the upcoming video. So let's start. Bye, bye, goodbye, goodbye, see you, see you, see you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye for now. See you next time. See you next time. Take care. Take care. Good night. Good night. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. I look forward to our next meeting. I look forward to our next meeting. Have a safe trip home. Have a safe trip home. I hope to see you again soon. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye. Have a great day. Goodbye. Have a great day. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. Take care and keep in touch. Take care and keep in touch. Bye. See you next time. Bye. See you next time. Let's catch up again soon. Let's catch up again soon. I'm really going to miss you. I'm really going to miss you. Until next time, take care. Until next time, take care. Safe travels. Bye. Safe travels. Bye. I will see you in the morning. Good night. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Goodbye for now. Let's talk soon. Goodbye for now. Let's talk soon. I look forward to our next meeting. Bye. I look forward to our next meeting. Bye. If you liked the video, then like and share. Thanks for watching this video.